In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a 5-period exponential moving average, or EMA, on TradingView. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your chart analysis and help you make informed trading decisions. Now, let's dive into it step by step. First, we need to add the EMA indicator to your chart. Start by opening up your TradingView chart if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the main chart interface, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. Here, you'll see an option labeled Indicators. Give that a click. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press the / key. Now that you're in the Indicators panel, we're going to search for the exponential moving average. Start typing exponential moving average, or just EMA, into the search bar. You should see the built-in EMA appear in the drop-down list. Go ahead and select it. Next, we'll set the period of your EMA to 5. Once you've added the EMA to your chart, look towards the chart legend below the symbol name. Here, you'll see the EMA listed, usually something like EMA followed by a number in parentheses. This number represents the period length of the EMA. To adjust this, click on the little gear icon right next to it. This will open up the Settings menu for your EMA. In the Settings, you'll find the Inputs tab. Here is where you can modify the period length. Change the length field to 5. Keep in mind that the default source should be set to close, which means the EMA will be calculated based on the closing prices of the candles. Now, personalizing your EMA can provide better visual contrast against other elements on your chart, allowing for easier interpretation. So, let's hop over to the Style tab, right next to Inputs. This tab allows you to tweak the visual aspects of your EMA line. You can change the color to something that stands out against your chart background or perhaps matches your personal preference. Also, adjust the line thickness to make it bolder or more subtle, depending on what you find visually appealing. And if you like, you can even select a different dash style, like solid, dashed, or dotted lines. After you've got your settings the way you want, click OK to apply them, and there you have it. Your 5-period EMA is now set up on your TradingView chart, ready to assist you in your market analysis. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized an exponential moving average with a period of 5. This tool is incredibly useful for identifying trends and generating trading signals. So take some time to observe how the EMA interacts with price movements on your chart. Thank you for watching, and happy